Snipe Squad, what it going on, boy? I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, man. What's going on with everybody, you feel me? Hope everybody is having a great day, man. Y'all know your boy Sniper Jones had to come back with another review because once again, another banger dropped this weekend. Now, a lot of people didn't like this shoe. Me personally, I'm on the fence about it, man. It's not like I really like it, and I don't really hate it. Me personally, I thought like the whole Red October theme is kind of dead to me. A few years ago, this shoe would have sold out instantly, back when like the whole Red October theme was everything. Right after the Yeezy drop, they had a bunch of shoes that just had an all red silhouette, and they would sell out like hotcakes, bro, no matter what it was. It could have been a Air Max 1 that was all red. It would be flying off the shelf. I remember when a Foamposite came out with that all red Gym Red Foamposite Pro, that flew off the shelf. Just about anything that was like a Red October colorway about 2 years ago would have flew off the shelf. But these Jordan 12s are sitting, and it's not surprising, man, because Rookie of the Years are sitting, the Sesames are sitting, even the Zebra 350s was sitting. Think about that, bro. Like, the Zebras was once being resold for $1,200, $1,500, and now they're sitting. Man, the sneaker game is crazy, bro. I never fully understand like what goes on through people's minds. It's like if you were willing to pay $1,200 for it 2 years ago and you could finally get it for $200, you don't want it no more because you can get it for cheaper because everybody else has it. I will never understand that, man. But anyways, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. We grinding trying to hit that 10K before the end of the year. I appreciate all my new subs coming through, man, as always. Also, if you don't already follow me on the gram, make sure you follow me on the gram, man. I post dope pics and I also do giveaways on my story. You don't want to miss that out, so follow me ASAP. And last but not least, today is the last video I'm going to be able to do the drawing for you guys. I am doing a giveaway with my guy Slime315. He is a dope, talented painter, man, who came up with these dope ideas on t-shirts that I'm giving away for the channel. Now, today is the last day. The winner will be revealed tomorrow. So in order to win, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and follow Slime315 on Instagram. Both of our Instagrams will be linked down below. Once you complete that, all you have to do is just say done under this photo, and I will tally up all the names and I will decide who the winners are. Well, not me. I got an app for it, so can't nobody say I finessed it. It's an app, all right? It's an app on dog. I ain't even, you know what I'm saying? Now, the two shirts that we have, I'm laughing because y'all be on me about this Dragon Ball Z shirt. Okay, this guy name is Trunks. I get it. Y'all tell me and kill me in the comment section, okay? So we got Trunks, a Dragon Ball Z character. This t-shirt is in a medium, and second t-shirt we have is the Biggie Small. Both of these t-shirts are super dope, and on top of that, man, it's easy to throw on something and be clean with this. This Biggie shirt is in an XL, so if you're interested, all you have to do is follow the rules I just said, and just tell me when you're done, and I will be picking the winners tomorrow. Other than that, man, y'all see these Jordan 12s right here on my left side, which is my best side, and we gonna get into it, man. Jordan 12s have that iconic box. Everybody know what sneakers in the box if you pull out this box. Kind of like the Jordan 4 or like the Jordan 11. Some shoes got that specific iconic box that go with the silhouette, like the Jordan 1 as well. This, of course, is that Jordan 12 box, a huge box. This box is always huge. Size 12 gang, y'all already know how we rep it, man. And let's flip it back and see what we got inside the paper now. The all red things. Okay, man. You know what? Hey, look, check this out. If you guys comment right now, Jordan 12, in the comment section, I will shout you out in my next video. And y'all already know by now, man. Shout out to my guy Retro Rico for hooking me up with my 12s, man. If y'all need anything, I'm telling y'all, if y'all looking for something, hit my boy Retro Rico up. I will link his IG down below. DM him. Tell me your boy Sniper Jones sent you. He gonna make sure he give you a good price. That's on dog. So these are the Jordan 12. I'm gonna call them Gym Red. I don't really know like the proper name for this shoe. Yeah, I'm gonna just go with Gym Red because it is a Gym Red theme. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna tell you about the things I love, and then I'm gonna tell you about the things I really don't like with this Gym Red 12. Now, obviously, y'all know this video not gonna be too long. I mean, it's only so much I can talk about with the completely all red dominated shoe. I mean, you know what I'm saying? What you want me to talk about? What I can talk about is the material that it has on the upper right here, which is more like a softer leather or like a suede leather. I don't really even know how to explain this material, man, but it's really kind of complicated. On the toe box, we got more of a suede type material, and then on the side panels of the shoe, you also get like this. It's almost like a reptile skin, man. That's what it looked like, at least for the design. It's not a tumble leather. It's not a suede. I'm really not sure what material this is. The material is actually kind of bad. What shoe did you guys think better, the all blue 12 that dropped last year or the all red 12s? Now, it really depends on what your favorite color is, but me personally, I think that royal blue kind of popped a little bit more to me, you know what I'm saying, me personally, and I also think that royal blue had better material on that Jordan 12 to me. I do like the small hints of black that they do have, like the Jordan Jumpman on the back heel and the 23 on the back heel of the shoe. I also like the black accents they have on the tongue as well, with the Jordan Jumpman and the 23 going down the tongue of the sneaker. Other than that, man, this shoe is completely all red dominated. Now, I don't own a lot of Jordan 12s. I think this model is super bulky, but it is some Jordan 12s that dropped that I just cannot pass up on. If the playoffs re-release again, I have to get those, and most importantly, if those candy cane things drop again, you know your boy Sniper Jones. I gotta get my pair, man, because those are absolutely fire. Jordan 12 to me are I honestly don't know how Jordan hooped in these Jordan 12s, bro. They thick, they bulky. I've never even seen nobody else other than Jordan hooping some Jordan 12s, bro. It's just a lot going on with these. You got a metallic Jumpman sign here on the side panel of the shoe, and you also got some metallic sides on the atlas of the shoe on the ankles up there, which is kind of dope. But all in all, it's kind of boring, man, especially for me to review, so I'm not gonna strandle too much about it. Let me know how you feel about this Jordan 12 Gym Red down below in the comment section, you know what I'm saying? So right now, I'm about to do it on foot, show you how they looking, and that's it, man. Game.
I just been balling out every season. Know it's some niggas I left in the bleachers. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a 4 inside another liter. Tie up the bands and then run it up. I gotta put the new bells inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking them people, ducking the birds, sending out the eagles. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, Aquafina. Damn, that bitch capping if she think I need her.
All on my wrist, 10 on my neck. I got a flex, shit on my ex. You not my bitch, you did me wrong. Feel like I can't even call you my ex. I got a flex, diamonds and checks. All of this shit that you did just to flex. How you gon' shit on the kid just to flex? How you gon' shit on the kid when you know I used to love you?
Alright guys, we are back in the studio, man. Please, once again, tell me how you feel about these Jordan Gym Red 12s. I know today was a short video because, I mean, hey, what y'all want me to do, bro? It's not really too much to talk about. It's an all red shoe. Either you like it or you don't. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Before you leaving out, also subscribe to my channel. We're trying to hit 10K. And before we leave out, SneakerCon Houston, December 1st, I will be in the building. If you're new to my channel, if you're new meeting me, if you're gonna be at the event, let's link up for the first time and have a great SneakerCon weekend. Also, merch is dropping December, man. If y'all have not seen any of the merch, go check it out on my gram, man. It's a lot of merch that's gonna be dropping soon, but the first drop is gonna be super limited just because I'm not sure how it's gonna plan out. I appreciate all you guys that came through and watched, man. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. I see you when I see you. Gang, gang.